Power moves. An action that asserts dominance over someone or reverts a perceived power dynamic without causing any real harm. You heard that, boys? That's the behavior equivalent of a bicep flex. Today, I'm gonna show you how to flex your behavioral biceps without harming anyone by showing you 7 power moves all men must know. So when you deploy them, well, let's just say so much testosterone is gonna fuel your body, you're gonna walk out of that building like The Rock. So whatever girl you wanna steal with, yeah, she'll go with you. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1, I want you to pick up the tab. Pick up the check. This right here is the ultimate power move. You see, most people fear away from the check, or they just act dumb when they see it coming, and at best will say, oh, yo, let's split it. Your power move, if you're with a client or business meeting, or with people you want to impress like girls, I want you to pick up the tab as you see it coming and not even hesitate. What's more, you can really elevate this power move by excusing yourself from the table early, getting the waitress so he can run your card before the tab even makes it to the table. That way, when everybody's done eating, you can be like, all right, guys, let's head out. They're gonna be like, yo, where's the tab? Where's the tab? You're gonna be like, it's all right, I got it covered. We're good. Power move. Explosions. Jeez. Number 2, I call this one the power handshake. Most guys give this weak handshake that's embarrassing and timid. That other guy you gave that weak handshake to will completely overpower you with his mind because he knows he's dealing with a beta. I don't even want those thoughts to go in somebody else's mind when they're shaking your hand. So what I want you to do is give any other dude a powerful handshake. And the way you do that is with your index finger. You heard me right. The index finger. You see, when you go for a handshake, you want to keep your index finger pointed out so they can't fully grasp your hand. Now, if you want to do a real kill shot, this is like the ultimate power move. Like, if you don't think this is enough, go more. I want you to go in for the same handshake and then with your other hand, put it on his shoulder and just bring him in slightly. This right here, you just turned this man into your beta. You're basically saying, come here, boy. I'm the captain now. You want me to up that one more time? All right, this is your final power move. Subscribe to this channel, and you're gonna receive a lifetime of power moves that's gonna make you a confident beast anywhere you go. Number 3, take care of yourself. Scenario, you get lucky. You're getting undressed. Girl sees that you're fully groomed down here and up here. Power move. This is exactly why, boys, we are part owners of a company called Manscaped because we understand the importance of full body grooming. Don't just groom what girls can see. Groom what they can't see so when they do see it, power move. We came out with our Lawnmower 3.0. This is the best selling men's trimmer on the market for manscaping. There is no competition. We engineered this so precise, every dude that tries it says the same thing. This is the greatest thing ever. You see, our stuff has nick-proof technology. So it doesn't matter what sensitive area you are shaving down, we got you covered. I'm not gonna nick you with my trimmer. And to prove that, here is me running it over my own nipple. This is how much I trust my own brand, bro. I'm running it across my nipple to see that your balls are gonna be safe. I'm the guinea pig for these products. I make sure they work on me before they work on you. What we did is we created something called the Performance Package. I should rename this package the Power Move Package because it literally has everything you need to level yourself up when it comes to body grooming. So it comes with the Lawnmower 3.0, which is water resistant, nick proof, has a built-in LED light, 7,000 RPMs. It is the best thing out there for Manscaped. We also have our new Weed Whacker. This is our nose trimmer using the same technology of our lawnmower. This thing is an amazing seller. It's running off the shelves. People love this thing, so you can trim your nose and your ear hair. On top of that, if that's not enough, we're also going to include 2 grooming products that are basics. A crop preserver. It's almost like a ball deodorizer. Again, power move. It makes your balls feel cool all day long, and they smell amazing. And then we also have a body wash that also smells really sexy. It's just alluring. You're gonna get all of that in the Performance Package, and I'm gonna take 20% off because I wanna ensure that every guy watching right now can click the link down below, take action, and start making this one of their ultimate power moves every morning. That's not enough? All right, I got you. I'm gonna give you free shipping. Have you clicked yet? Oh, that's not enough? All right, I got you. I'm gonna give you a free pair of boxers. These boxers are $20 on our site. I'm gonna send them for free if you click the link right now. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You haven't clicked yet, bro? All right, you're gonna make me go broke. That's not enough? All right, I'm gonna give you a free DOP kit. If you click the link right now It's $40 on our site, a leather dop kit where you can carry this whole performance package in if you click the link down below. You heard that right. You're gonna get all of that plus 20% off plus free shipping to make sure you're making all sorts of power moves. Number 4, the off the menu order. This right here, I call it the ultimate date power move. Picture this, you just sat down with your girl, this is your first date on a dinner date, and this is her 100th time sitting on a first date with a guy, so there's nothing new going on so far. So you guys sit down, and after a few seconds of both of you looking at the menu, you all of a sudden put it down and say this to her. You know what, this isn't on the menu, but they do this thing here, and then fill in the blank. That one move right there, now all of a sudden you're this mysterious new, knows all types of secrets type of guy. Talk about power move. She's gonna be wondering how you're so well connected. And I hopefully she's not watching this. It's called Google. That's it, bro. Like, if you Google online Yelp reviews, you can go through reviews, and a lot of people will put custom order menus that they've done at certain restaurants that then you can duplicate. Easy enough. And if that's too hard for you, you can call into the restaurant and ask for the chef's special. That way, that's another power move you can do where before the waiter even comes out and tells you chef's specials, you put it down and you'd be like, you know what? I'm gonna recommend the chef's special. It's one of my favorite. Bro, she's gonna think you're best buds with the chef. Number 5, research. Look, you want to do something on your date with this new girl that she's going to enjoy. But you never want to be the guy that's like, so babe, what do you want to do today? That's lame, bro. You want to be so cool that you know exactly what she wants to do without her having to tell you. That's power move. So do a little bit of research. I call it friend recon. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to talk to her best friends, DM them, text message them, whatever it is, and be like, yo, what does Ashley or Emily, what do you guys like to do, or what has she been wanting to do with you guys lately? And if they tell you that she wants to go to that new art museum, or try that new coffee shop, or see that new movie, well, you got your answer. When you take her there, power move. She's gonna be like, how the hell did you know? Number 6, abandon your day job. There is no stronger power move than submitting your resignation to your boss and saying that you are now your own boss. Now, you gotta do this smartly, of course. You want to start your passion project now and work on it after hours. That means after work on it every night. It's gonna be a lot of hustling, right? But sooner or later, that passion project is going to start generating revenue. And when it does, and it starts generating revenue enough to pay your basic expenses, that's when you submit your resignation. And finally, number 7, know more than they do. Information is power. So I want you to acquire as much as you can. You see, you want both information as in who you're meeting with, who they are, what they like, etc., and also external information. Doing just a little bit of research on who you're going to be hanging out with that day, or who this company is, or who your interviewer is, can go a long way. And then on top of that, adding external information like listening to podcasts and reading audiobooks and all that stuff, power move. It fills you with the wealth of information so you can easily connect with anybody and captivate them with new ideas and creativity that you've learned through other streams of information. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 power moves any dude can do to change the dynamic. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our brand, Manscaped. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.